Hello students. So today we'll continue our discussion on lesson 9 HTML5. So in the last class we discussed about the table. Now today we'll start discussion on the topic border spacing. So how we set the border for the table. This property is used to specify the distance between the borders of the adjacent cell. Border spacing. So to set the distance, specify the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells. So that is the border spacing. So the value you can give the horizontal spacing in pixel and the vertical spacing in also pixel. See the example border spacing 10 pixel and the horizontal and the vertical spacing set to 10 pixel. Now if only one value is specified, as you can see here, 10 pixel 20 pixel, horizontal and vertical spacing is set to 10 pixel. First is the horizontal value and second is the vertical value. If only one value is specified, it gets applied to both the horizontal as well as vertical spacing. Next is the border collapse. With this property, one can specify whether the table borders are to be collapsed into a single border or detached as usual. Now the syntax you can see border collapse value. So where value is equals to separate or collapse. So border collapse colon collapse. As you can see the code here. So if you put the border collapse means the table borders will collapse into a single border or it will be detached as usual. Now see what it will affect the code here. HTML tag open, head open. Now the title for the web page is set to creating a table. Now in the style tag, type equals to text of CSS. Now here after the style we write the rules properties. For the body background color is set RGB, code is given. For the table and table data and table heading, the property set border should be 1 pixel, style solid and color red. Now move to the next page. Okay. So that we have studied the hover property. As you can see here, table. For the table, the property set border collapse separate. Now see here, all the borders, all the cells are separate. Collapse border spacing 10 pixel, 20 pixel. That the space is given between the cells. Now style close, head close. Now body started table is within for the table tag table is created. Caption heading of the table is given living versus non-living. So inside the caption heading 3 level is used. Now for the table root th style equals to background color red and color white. This is called the len style and living. What the data is written inside that row, inside that column, living. Not table heading close. Next heading is set th style background color red, color white, non-living, border separate. Now after that the second row is created. TD consists of cells, that is the first data, and second data is no cells. Now third row created needs for energy, as you can see, and third row second column needs no food. So after that you can see the after adding all row table tag is closed. Now BR will change the line. Table again another table is added on the web page. You can see table style equals to border style equals to border with 1 pixel, border style solid, border color blue. On border collapse here, as you can see, uh, again all borders are there is no space between the borders. So spacing is also not set because this will be set with the help of the border spacing. Now here all are meeting. All the borders are joined. Both the columns borders are joined into a single line. And now the heading caption for the table is given living versus non-living. As you can see, heading 3. Now the first row is created in the table. First heading th style equals to border color blue, background color cyan, And what is written in the first column? Table heading living. And the second table heading is set non-living. The same property style equals to border color blue, background color cyan, non-living. Now second row is added in the table. You can see consists of cells. Second row, second column, no cells. Now third row, first column needs food for energy, and third row, second column needs no food. So after adding all the rows, see the table tag is closed. So here you can see the table tag is closed, body closed, HTML close. So why we are using the caption side to give the title for the table? It specifies the placement of the of a table caption side. So syntax caption side value, here you can give the value top is the default value, top or bottom. So if you write the bottom, so caption means heading of the table will come at the bottom of the table. Next, the empty cells. This property helps in specifying whether or not the border and the background are to be placed around empty cells in a table. So this value you can write default show and it will hide. If you write empty cells hide, so it will hide the empty cells. Okay, so this is all for the today students. In the next class, we will start our discussion on this topic on empty cells hide. So thank you for your kind attention.